Hello. Now I am going to explain about the features of a bat, which I am using for killing mosquitoes. Okay. Now it is in working condition and I also put it for charging. As you are seeing that I had charged it fully. Now it is blink. Its red LED is blinking. Now I am going to disassemble it. So for this I used the four mounted screw we used to move it anti-clockwise to open it. Now we have opened all the screws. Now there might be some problem at this. Okay. Now I am going to disassemble it. As yours, first of all, I will explain about this. This is green board which is made of silicone, and this is a green LED which blinks when it is going to be charged. This is the power. This is the switch which you used for turn on and off, and this is the plug which you use to make the currents on in the wires. This is the place from where the charging comes in the battery. Now, as you are seeing that there are many uh, elect electric things which are used for this. Here in the red color and this red color, these are the capacitors, and also these blue colors, blue color things are also the capacitors. uh, this is the transformer which is used uh, amplify the current. Now this is the LED which is turned on as I show you before disassembling it, which is used to which is showing that the thing is open condition. Now this is the switch. These black things, as you're seeing, this and this. These are eight of the cap. These are seven capacitors. These are seven diodes, and this okay. These are the resistors which are used to make to do something in this. This is the battery which we are using it. It is 4-volt battery. Now, as I showed you all the parts about this, now okay, that's okay. Now we are going to assemble this. Now I'm going to show this that it is in working condition after assembling it. Now first of all we check for the green LED. Okay, as the LED turns on. Now I'm going to show that this as you are seeing that this red LED is also working. But there is highly not possible that there is no mosquito in the room, so I didn't show that this thing. Please show this side. Yeah, this. So we require mosquito for that, but there is no mosquito in the room. uh, okay, thank you.